Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys see by the title, we have an Amazon brush that we're gonna try out, and this one was sent to me. Okay, we only have 2 brushes this time to try out. As you guys see, it's still in the package. Okay, you know how we do on this channel, we just gotta see how it works. So we got a foundation brush and a concealer brush. So the foundation brush is more of a flat topped kabuki. I told you guys in the last video I won't be doing this. I want to make sure that I wash the brushes, but girl, things happen, and this is what's happening to me right now. I am breaking out from the last video. Oh my gosh, but we're still gonna do it, right? Just gonna pray to the Lord that I don't break out, you know, anywhere else. But girl, I knew it though. I knew I was gonna break out anyway. Don't follow me, girl. Make sure you wash your brushes before you use them. So these brushes are only $10, okay? So like I said, it was sent to me to do a review for you guys. So we're just gonna do it. If you missed my other videos on brushes, especially from Amazon, I will put the link up here, and I also will put it in of the video so you guys could take a look at that. So let's hope that these brushes are good. So this is the foundation brush. The other one is for concealer. They are really dense though. So let's just test this out first. You guys know how we do on this channel. So we don't get no shedding, okay? It's pretty good so far. Really dense. This really don't look like a, you know, too soft of a brush. And this one is a concealer. Let's see. It's like really dense too. Hopefully these don't poke my skin. That's what I'm trying to figure out, if you poke in the skin. Feeling a little bit though, but not too much. And even though this brush was sent to me, I'm gonna just be real as possible. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it or anything. We only have 2 brushes to try out, so I'm only gonna be showing you guys these 2 brushes. Any other brushes I'm not gonna mention, okay? Let's just see this one. Oh, this one is soft. I really don't feel anything. Of course you have a smell, but not too strong. Girl, I'm gonna break out. So I'm gonna be using this hydrating primer. So if this is your first time here, girl, subscribe to the channel and help your girl out. Hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, you guys will be notified, girl. To my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. You know, my OGs, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting. How you guys been doing? Me personally, girl is a lot. Life is just hitting me pam 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 in my face every time I turn around. It's something that's wrong with me, girl. God always there for me, but I fight back. You know, I'm strong. I'm just taking one step at a time, you know. And then I have this cool thing that is just like, so every time I turn around, I got another class I gotta finish. It's just, listen, we're gonna try. We're gonna try this foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a long time. I even forgot how this foundation feels on the skin. I'm not even sure if it's too dark. I don't know, girl, but whatever. Oh no, it's not too dark. Okay. So we're just gonna stipple it in. I don't think this foundation is like really heavy or anything. I think it's like a light foundation. And honestly, I don't even think I shaked it. I think this is why it looks like that. Let me try again. Okay, let's go over this. Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay. Okay. This is a very light foundation. This is not like really heavy, as you guys can see. This is not poking on my skin at all. It feels really, really good. And it feels very strong. I just wish they had like more brushes to try out instead of these 2. Girl, I'm gonna go in with this foundation on top of it. I need a little bit more coverage. I look too shiny. You see how dark it is? I think that's the issue I had before. I think I'm gonna use this more as a hydrator and then put the foundation on top of it. The Maybelline foundation is very luminous as well, and a lot comes out from the bottle. So this is enough for me. I like how it feels on the skin. I just get a little bit more coverage when I do that. Let me just put it around the nose. Yeah, it has a little dense though. Look, you could tell. So I'm gonna go in with this sponge. I think this is from Real Techniques. I don't even know what this is for. So I just use the other side of it. I'm going to use the clean side and just take off a little bit of that foundation. All right, this looking real nice. It look a little bit much better. Not too shiny. These are good though. Look how nice it blend out the skin. I'm gonna go in with this concealer. I don't even know what's going on with my concealer. This is new because this is the only shade that I use from e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Concealer. And I don't even know why it looks like this. I don't know if it's expired. I don't know. It never broke me out though, so I don't even know what that is. So let's see if it do what it's supposed to do. I want to see if it's gonna poke because under my eyes are very, very sensitive. Okay, so this blending out really nice. I wish that the brush was a little bigger. I feel like it's a little too small. It does the job. So I'm gonna go over with my sponge and just smooth that out. See, I don't think that it blending out the product how I like it. See, if I rub it in like this, it's not gonna work too well for me. So this is why I'm stippling in the skin, but it leaving the mark. If it was a little bigger, it would have worked perfectly, but just feel like doing my face today. I haven't done this in a while because we only had like 2 products that we had to try, you know. I don't like this brush because it really don't do anything for my under eyes. It's too small and too dense for under the eyes. Maybe it will work just to pack on right under there, but not to blend. This brush is really soft on the skin. Honestly, they have no shedding at all. Like, if it had shedding, I would have said something. You guys know how I am, but I have no shedding, thank God. It soaks up a little bit of the product, as you guys can see, so I don't have no issues with this, okay? It blends out good. It's very soft on the skin, and I didn't get any poking or anything, so that's a good thing. So everything will be listed down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. You know, I really do like this look. It looks really, really nice, you know. Really cute, right? I really like it. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, you guys will be notified, girl. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.